Hi everyone. So welcome to another video. So today we are going to talk about Databricks. Not so much about Databricks. All we are going to talk about how we can learn Databricks using its community edition, right? So in this video, I'm going to cover how you can create a community edition for completely free and how you can explore the Databricks capabilities. So come to the databricks.com website, and here you can click on Databricks, try Databricks button. So this will take you to a login page. So you will have a couple of options: start free trial, use express. So you don't need to go all that because you have to have this enterprise cloud and everything for that. So you can go for community edition, click here. So it asks for an email. So I have a DSA demo 2025 email. So you click with continue email. So it will send an OTP. So let us come. Yeah, Databricks shared a 6-digit code with me. So I have added that code. Yeah, we need to wait some time for Databricks. So meanwhile, right, one benefit comparing Synapse or any other cloud tool with Databricks is like Databricks is a unified platform. So you can work that with Azure, AWS, GCP. So how Databricks work is like Databricks is built on an Apache Spark engine that connect to a storage, and from there it will be processing that. Okay, back to the topic. So we need to go through a puzzle. So let me. Okay, looks fine. So I have completed the puzzle. So after completing the puzzle, seems like my internet it is slow. So it will take us to the sign in page. So there we need to enter our email ID, continue with email. We will again ask an OTP that would be coming to my inbox. So by completing the puzzle, we have already created the account. I also got a welcome email from Databricks. So this community.cloud.databricks.com, right? This is a completely free platform from Databricks for individual to learn Databricks. So we are into Databricks landing page. Here we can create notebooks. Hope you might know what is notebook. Notebook is the place where you can write your queries in different languages. And I'll take next 2 minutes to quickly tell you how you can set up a cluster and write a basic query in Databricks. So all you have to do, either you create a notebook here. This is taking, I think, community, since it is community edition, it is taking a little long. But since it is first time, it is taking time. Generally, it doesn't take this much time. Databricks is taking a bit longer than what I believe. So I'll conclude this video here. We'll create another video talking about different menu and everything about Databricks later. Thank you. Thank you for your time.